Hey guys, today I'm gonna take care of my old Army Helly Hansen wool vest. Nah? This is was issued to the Dutch Army, if I'm right. I have this thing for over 15 years and I wear it a lot. It's great loose hanging item that's very cheap that you can buy at the army dump stores and places like that. Except it had its best time. It had its best time. So I'm gonna make it look new again. Why? Because well, hey, it's Sunday and what else to do? Nah? Quite a difference, I would say. It's a little bit dull, so all I'm doing is having a quick strop in between and get it back to the proper shaving sharpness where I want to have it. So I have this leather strap and I have two different compounds on each side, and what I'm using are the castrum compounds. So the black one is the coarse one and the green one is the finest one. You also have the medium one, but I didn't took that one, so I go from coarse to fine if needed, and it gives you a real nice polished edge. If you take out the factory edge, of course, after some proper sharpening. And yeah, just a few strokes over the good old leather strap. Oh, just dropping makes such a big difference. Feels appropriate to shave this army vest with the army knife. Collecting a decent pile already. Not bad. Looking fine, huh? So I still need to do the sleeves, but I did the collar, this side, the back side, just the pockets. Now I'm here. It's going. It's going.